Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you download or export your leads from Podio? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your leads from Podio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're managing your leads through Podio, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider, but you want to be sure to bring your leads with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download your leads, first you have to go to the workspace that holds those leads. So here on the top left, click on the hamburger menu. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the workspaces you have. You can see I just have these two, and click on the workspace that holds your leads. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to that workspace, and then on the top, you're going to see the different apps that you have. So click on the app that's holding your leads. So for this one right here, hot seller leads. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your leads inside of Podio, and to download them, here on the right, next to the name of the app, you're going to see a wrench. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see all these options, and you want to click on this one, Excel Export. Okay, here you get to choose how you want to export the data. Once you've made the selection, click on Start Export. All right, now it's going to go ahead and start downloading your leads, and then you should see this finished right here. So you can click on that. However, it disappears pretty quick. If it disappears, don't worry. In order to get your lead list, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and click on Batch Jobs. Once you click on Batch Jobs here at the top, you're going to see your most recent export of your leads, and you can click on the blue link right here that's in a .xlsx format. It's going to automatically start downloading. Okay, quick second later, it pops up with this Excel spreadsheet. You can see all of the data that was pulled from my leads. Now, again, if you don't see the download for some reason, you can click on this little bell icon. Once you do that, you should see this right here. Your export of your leads has completed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your leads from Podio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.